and you want to change Gmail name or password, how to do it. I'm here from YT Knowledge Man. So let's go to the Gmail and click on the profile account. Whenever you click on Gmail profile account, and there is some option pop up. Here you can see Gmail profile picture and name. Here you can see home, personal information, data personalization. Just click on personal information and click on your name and change your first name and last name, and then just drag it little bit and you can see the password. And just click on the password and you can change it password, enter in the old password and enter in the new password, enter the confirm new password, and then click on the change password. It will save the new password, and that's it. Thank you.